Hey, what's up guys? It's Ivan, and in this video I want to go over 3 incredibly stupid reasons for why you might not be getting any affiliate sales. And the reason why I call them stupid is because they are plain oversights. They're such easy things that should be common sense that you might miss because as an affiliate, especially a new one, you're so focused on building out the right landing page, your keywords, your ads, all that stuff, that you might completely miss these very important and crucial parts that are so simple but extremely important, because no matter how good your ads or campaigns are, you will not be getting any sales. And in this video, I'm talking specifically about ClickBank. However, as long as you're an affiliate and you're promoting other people's products, whether it's ClickBank or Max Bounty or JVZoo or just some standalone companies, you guys are at risk for having one of these issues, okay? So pay attention close, because you definitely want to go through these mistakes, especially if you already spent some dollars and haven't seen results. And by the way, for those of you that are brand bidding, you guys are at the highest risk of this, okay? So pay attention to what I'm about to show you, because those of you that are brand bidding, you might be losing some serious dollars in here, all right? So enough talk, let's get into it. So the first reason for why you might not be getting affiliate sales is because you were shadow banned by the vendor. Now, with ClickBank, the vendor gets to decide if they want to let you know whether you've been banned from promoting the product or whether you were moved to a 0% commission group. And let me tell you, a lot of the vendors don't let you guys know. So they might move you to a 0% commission group without even letting you know, guys. That is super sneaky. That is absolutely fucked up, but they do it. So I want to make sure you don't fall into this and that you identify this sooner rather than later before you give these vendors all of your advertising dollars, all right? So the way you check for this is you go into your vendor settings here on the right, you click on My Site, and you guys are going to scroll down to the bottom here to where it says View Commission Groups You Belong To, and then you're going to click here. Again, this is extremely important for those of you brand bidders because a lot of the products say that you're not allowed to brand bid. So if indeed you did break some of the terms, you're going to see your commission group here, and it will say something like 0% breach of contract, TOS breach of contract. It will say something along those lines. And if you want more detail, you can just click on View Commission Group, and it's going to tell you. And if you were shadow banned, meaning you weren't actually banned on paper, but they moved you to a 0% commission group, you're going to see that here. All right. So you can see the vendor name over here. Some of them are obvious, like 1 Week Diet, 2 Week Diet, pretty obvious. Those ones that aren't as obvious, if you go into Marketplace and then you select the product, you'll be able to see the nickname of the product, and that's that. That's what this is, okay? So guys, incredibly important, because I get emails from you guys all the time. Ivan, I spent $100 on the product, I made no sales. Ivan, I spent $1,000 on this product, I made no sales. How come? And the first thing I tell you guys is, well, can you check your commission group and tell me if you are shadow banned from it? And most of the time, the reply is yes, because the product moves them to the 0% commission group, and the person unfortunately keeps spending money, usually keeps brand bidding, and spending hundreds or thousands of dollars and not getting anything back. So make sure you guys don't fall into this mistake, and you make sure that you get the money that you're owed without, of course, breaching the terms of use, all right? So that's the mistake number 1. Mistake number 2 is you guys often use the wrong affiliate link. So if you go into Marketplace and you select a product, let's go with the top products, click on the little magnifying glass. Let's go with Java Burn here, right? So if you click on Promote and we enter my affiliate nickname and we say Continue, this link looks ugly, okay? I think everybody can agree with that. And for Google, for example, for Microsoft, you need to put a link like this in the tracking template while putting a different link in the final URL. So a lot of you guys, what you do is you say, screw that. What I'm going to do is just go to this page and replace this hop with my affiliate link. Very clever. Except, guess what? You're not going to get any credit for that. So here is this quote-unquote pretty looking link, which it is. It's much prettier because it's an actual website, right? Morning Coffee Ritual looks better than that gibberish. And you guys think, hey, because you have your affiliate ID here, you're going to get credit. Think again. We're going to click next and let's keep track, okay? So let's come back here. Let's go into reporting and let's keep track and see if that works. We're going to go into analytics. You want to click on view as affiliate, and you want to look for today, okay, or last 7 days. It's fine. We're going to refresh. So we have here one unique hop and one order form impression from Java Burn. That's from earlier in the day, so don't worry about that. So remember these numbers, okay? 1 and 1, all right? And we're using your prettier looking link, okay? Now, we're going to scroll down. We're going to click on add to cart. We're going to scroll down again. Now, ClickBank no longer shows your account ID, unfortunately, or fortunately, because it hides some of your IDs. But some of you smarter guys or girls, you might say, hey, it says my affiliate ID over here. Or if you use the redirect path tool, you're saying, hey, it's got my affiliate ID here. It's got my affiliate ID here, right? Over here. So I'm definitely getting credit. Way to go. And then you guys go on and spend hundreds of dollars. Not realizing that, well, look, it's still 1. It hasn't changed, okay? It has not been registered. You were stripped of your affiliate ID as soon as you used it, really, or especially when you landed on this order form page, at least for some of the products. But either way, you will not get sales. Now, compare this with doing the correct way to get your affiliate link, which is if, let's open in a new tab, and let's close that. Let's click magnifying glass. There are 2 ways you can grab your correct affiliate link. One is by clicking promote, and again, entering your affiliate ID, clicking continue. This is the first way you can get your good affiliate link that will work. Now, I'm not going to use this because it's going to take us to the VSL page. And I don't like that page because we're going to be here for an hour waiting for the button to show up. So the second way you can get your good affiliate link is clicking on affiliate page or affiliate resources here. And here we're going to enter our affiliate ID. And here we're going to select the remarketing lander, okay? That way we can instantly see if there's results. And this is the link we're going to use. Now, it doesn't look pretty, I agree, but at least you're going to get credit for the sales. So we're going to use that link. Let's click next. And here it does say, see, it does say the hub, but the main thing is that we used this link at the beginning. That's what's going to cause everything. If you just go straight to this link, it's not going to work, guys. It's not going to work. Okay, so I actually had to use an incognito window so it registers me as a new user, and the hops did show up. I also used another incognito window to then test the first link that I showed you guys, like the incorrect one, and it did not go to 3. So this just confirms my theory, like I said, that you guys have to use the correct link either by clicking promote or the affiliate page, okay? Just by clicking here and changing this will not give you credit for the sale. And just to confirm again, guys, I am talking about ClickBank, but all of these could apply no matter what network you're using, whether it's Max Bounty or JVZoo. You have to look for the option where it says your commission group. Make sure that you are still making commissions, that you weren't shadow banned. Make sure that you're using the correct link, regardless of what network you're using. And last but not least, the third reason for why you might not be getting any affiliate sales is because you're using a third-party tracking tool, and some of the tracking can get complicated and you guys haven't set up tracking properly. All right. So for ClickMagick, for example, which I have been using a lot in the past, they have different options here. Like they give you the website code, the URL builder, the URL manager. So if you go to website code and you try to set it up, they give you this code that you put on the site. But you also have to add your correct affiliate link with the correct token on the same landing page. Then you have to set up the postback URL between ClickMagick and ClickBank or whatever affiliate network you're using. There are many steps involved, and some of you guys forget a step or two just because there are so many. I don't blame you. It can get confusing. So the point is, if you guys are using a third-party tracking tool, before you launch that first campaign, just test it. If you have to, message support, message ClickMagick support, and ask them before you pay for your ads and say, hey, could you check, please, that the tracking is set up properly? Because you don't want to be spending money when you won't be getting any sales. It's as simple as that. So that's all that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope this video was helpful and valuable, and I really hope that you guys don't waste your money on vendors that have shadow banned you or by using the incorrect link. All right, that is all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.